This Daignault Realty, Incorporated property video is presented by Emily Green. More pictures coming soon. Walk inside to an open living area and an immediate, amazing pool outside view. This home has an incredible floor plan that allows for space and privacy. Split plan with the fourth bedroom owning its own bath. Great for a guest suite or for in-laws. Kitchen and family room are large and open with access to pool from all living areas, including the master. Roof is 3 years new, AC 2 years, and appliances only 1 year. Eat-in bar outside around the pool is amazing for hosting or for relaxing as a family. Awesome backyard provides privacy and space. Community playground, tennis courts, basketball courts, sidewalks around lakes, and pier access provide many options for activities. You will love living in this beautiful home and in the desirable Sunset Lakes community.